Hey babes, it's me, Alegra. Dolls, we have made it to the 27th of the month, and a lot of you guys know what that means. We are going to announce last month's winners for our Morphe haul giveaway, and I'm going to announce the next giveaway, which I can't wait to tell you guys about. So if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. All my giveaways are for my subscribers, so not only will you be entered into this giveaway that I'm going to announce today, but you will be entered into all of the future giveaways. I have a giveaway every 27th of the month, so, and then lots of pop-up giveaways too in between. So just go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that notifications button so you see when I have a new video and when I'm online. So guys, now we can announce last month's Morphe haul giveaway, all that good stuff that I was able to pick up when I went to the Morphe store in California. So babes, the winner of that giveaway is Susan McAfee. Congratulations, Susan! You are the winner of the Morphe haul giveaway. I can't wait for you to get it, and I hope you have a blast playing with everything. So guys, before I get into what next month's giveaway is going to be, I just want to let you know I am going to be going live on the Michael Todd Beauty Instagram page. So on Thursday, this Thursday at 7 p.m. I will be going live, and I will be doing a live tutorial using the Sonic Blend makeup brush. And this brush is so amazing. It is actually life-changing, truly. It really is. It cuts down on your makeup blending time. It's really amazing. And so I will be giving one of these brushes away on the live, and I will be doing a demonstration. You guys know I can't resist playing with my makeup. But it's just so amazing. You can use powder products with it, you can use liquid products, and it's very strange, but you can basically go from liquid right into the powder. I used this one brush. I did my foundation, contour, highlight, everything, and powder products with this brush tonight. And I just love the airbrushed finish that it gives. But not only that, it cuts down, like I said, it cuts down on that blending time. I mean, 1 second, you'll see on the live, but normally I'm blending and blending and blending for quite a bit of time when I'm doing my contour in particular. But with this brush, I was blended in like 2 seconds. It's really crazy. I can't wait for you to see. So definitely I will link everything below, but you have to be subscribed to the Michael Todd Beauty Instagram in order to get onto the live. So make sure you subscribe to their Instagram, and also to be entered in the giveaway for this brush. And like I said, we will be picking the winner on Thursday. So this Thursday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I can't wait to see who wins. So now I can get into what next month's giveaway is going to be. So we will be picking the winner for this giveaway. We will be announcing the winner on the 27th of next month. So March 27th, we'll pick the winner for this giveaway that I'm about to show you right now. So I did get a few cutie patootie things here, a few things that I'm personally really loving. So let's get into it, and I got a few things, so I'm really excited. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is I got you dolls the new Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. This is just absolutely stunning. You will be highlighted to the gods with this highlighter. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on it and play with it and just glow, because you will just look amazing with this highlighter on. So another item that is in our 27th of the month giveaway is this Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay eyeshadow palette. This is definitely one of my favorite palettes. I have one myself. I use it all the time. I absolutely love it. It is a clay formulation type of eyeshadow, but I love it. You know, it's a lot of fun. I love the colors. So this is really great palette. You get tons of colors in here, so I can't wait to see who wins this. This is all one giveaway though, so you will be getting these two. I'm also giving away these nail tips. Now these tips are just so amazing. These are white. You can leave them white. You can paint them. This nail glue is the best nail glue I have ever used. Actually, if you don't use these nail her tips, you could go to the drugstore, buy the tips that they sell at the drugstore and use this glue. That's what I used to do. And this is the best glue I have ever used, the nail her glue. And my nails stay on for like 2 weeks. with this glue. So I love the nails too, of course, but say you don't have them on you and you want, you know, your nails done, you could just pop in the drugstore, and this glue is the best glue I have, like I said, I have ever used, and your nails won't come off. So, and I'm also throwing in this Ofra Lippy, and this is the shade Santorini, I believe. So this is a really gorgeous shade. So guys, that's pretty much everything in the giveaway. Of course, I will throw in some other goodies as well. But guys, if you'd like to take part and win this giveaway, just like I said, be subscribed to my channel, and definitely leave a comment and let me know that you like this. This way I know that, you know, this is something you like. For extra entries, you can repost the meme on Twitter and tag a friend on Instagram. I'm going to post a picture on Instagram. I'm going to post a picture on my Twitter. So definitely follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and follow the directions on both of those sites. Basically just tag a friend or retweet, something like that. So then you'll get extra entries. And definitely stop by Thursday, Michael Todd Beauty Instagram, so you can win, somebody will win one of these amazing makeup, antimicrobial makeup brush. It also is super clean somehow, so it's amazing. It feels amazing. I love it. I'm obsessed. So guys, I will hopefully see you Thursday, and if not, I will see you on the next one. But I love you guys so much. Congratulations, Susan, and I will see you guys soon. Love you. Bye.